Hey folks, welcome back to my channel with me. And I'm your teacher for today. And today we will discuss about the Python operators and why use the Python operators in the Python and how use in your program. And so they are the many basic questions for the beginner programmer. So and also discuss about the in this field lecture and what is the Python arithmetic operator. So without any further delay, and now let's get started. So basically, when we talk about the Python operators, and Python operators are used to perform operations on variables or values. That means, suppose you have two variables. Now here, there we go, and now here it is a variable, and this star is a operators, okay, and y and r and p are the variables, and this is also called the operands. Okay, I think I think you got it. Operators were used where the values or variables or integers. Suppose this is a also called operands, and but it is a constant values, and this is value, and this that is the variable. Okay, I think you got it. Where the use for operators, and Python divides the operators in the following groups. And first is arithmetic operator, assignment operator, comparison operator, logical operator, identity operator, membership operator, bitwise operator. There are the lots of operator I have in the Python. And so when we talk about the first operator in the Python, so I have arithmetic operator. And arithmetic operator are used to numeric value to perform common mathematical operations. That means we have numeric values and want to perform some actions such as the plus, minus, divide, modulus, exponential, and the floor and seal values. Even you find out the values, and then you can do you without arithmetic operation you are unable to get the values. Okay, get the output. So here we have some operators. First is plus, minus, divide, multiply, and percents, the exponents, and here the integer division, floor division, that is called. And when you use the plus addition in this type, suppose if we have example, and 4 plus 2 is equals to 6, and here middle is the plus operator. Minus operator as well as used in the plus type of addition operator, and here multiply, divide, and why use the percent operator? Percent operator, that means modulus operator to get the remainder in the integer division. Okay, here 5% to, that means when divide the 5 or when divide the 5 of 2 from 2, and then it remainder gives the remainder is 1. Okay, I think you understand with it. And 5 star 2, that means 5 to the power 2, and it gives the 25. As well as when you divide the 5 from the 2, and when you minus 5 divided from the 2, and it gives the 2 and minus 3. I think because it uh, accepts the decimals value, and it gives the division floor values of the value of your values. Okay, and it's time to write some code to relate to the arithmetic operator. Suppose I have a is equals to the 5. Okay, and b is equals to 6, and when you want to print the values, and then you directly a plus b right here, and when you print it, when you click on the run button, now there we go. Now there we go, it gives the 11. As well as you can write the plus operator, minus operator, and the asterisk operator, and here the division operator. And when you click on the run button, now there we go, it is very simple to use. And when you want to perform the modulus operator, and what would we do? And when here use the modulus operator, it gives the remainder. Now it gives the remainder, that means when you divide the 6 to 5 or from the 6, and then it gives the 5 remainder. Okay, I think you got it. And I have another first it comments it, and after that we will run. And here I use the double asterisk operator, and the double asterisk operator, that means the exponent operator, here the integer divisor. division divisor. Okay, and here click on the run button. Now there we go. Now when we want to use the exponent operator as then you use the as like this, and here the integer divisor, and when you click on the run button, and it gives the this value. Now first values gives the power of the 5 to the power 6, because a is equals to 5 and b is equals to 6, and now there we go. And when you divide the 5 by the 6, and it gives the 0, because 0 point something something, and it accepts the decimal values, only it returns the integer value. So that's why, and it gives, so output and shows as like this. And I think this is enough for the day. And thank you so much, guys. And please ring the bell and hit the subscribe button. So thanks for the watching.